YouTube keeps stopping on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and search for YouTube just to make sure you have an updated version of the YouTube application on your device. So as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of YouTube application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the YouTube application. Then tap on app info. So as you tap on app info, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So just tap on clear data and clear the cache, then tap on OK. As you do that, go back and then launch the settings application on our device and then tap on about phone, check for any updates available for your device over here. As you check for updates, take charge of the storage as well and see if you have enough storage available. And as you check on the storage and create space for it, then you'll be able to just relaunch the YouTube application and that might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.